Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to stop DASHLANE pop-ups in your browser. First, open any web page where DASHLANE shows a pop-up, like for example, Google's login page. Click the DASHLANE icon in your browser's extension toolbar. In the extension pop-up, go to Autofill in the top menu to open the site's autofill settings. There you can choose to pause autofill for that website. DASHLANE will stop showing pop-ups like autofill suggestions on that site. If you want to disable pop-ups globally, like the ones that automatically log you in, you can turn off auto login. In the extension pop-up, go to Autofill, Global Preferences, then turn off auto login. DASHLANE will no longer automatically log you into websites and the associated pop-ups will stop. For specific form fields that annoy you, for example, non-login fields, you can also disable DASHLANE suggestions only in that field. Click into the field, wait for the DASHLANE pop-up, open its three-dot menu, and choose Pause for this visit or Pause until I turn it back on to prevent pop-ups there. And that's how you stop DASHLANE pop-ups in your browser. Thanks for watching.